Okay, so we're going to create a custom image gallery here very quickly, very easily. And first thing we need to do is create an item. So we're going to do that. Switch the category to image galleries so we get the right one. And I just need to copy the content of this article. So I'll take a moment to open. So I want this code here, so copy that, cancel. Right, so the image gallery we're going to upload is Fish Nicola Folks, December 2014. So let's create that. (2014) 2017. So we're just going to set that publishing date to a date in December. We don't know when exactly, but we can change this later. That's not a problem. 24th. There we go. We'll put it into the image galleries. And just copy the content of the text file that's here. There we go. Put that in there. We need to add an image. Something colourful. There we go. And then the image gallery. So I'm going to create a new gallery here. Add images. And just bring the image gallery here that we're going to use. And if I just select everything in that gallery and drag it across, start upload. I think the chances are this will be too big for the upload, because the maximum upload size is 32 megabytes and the total size of these images is 96 megabytes. But we'll see what happens. If it doesn't manage to upload them all, we can do them in batches. Okay, so a few of those, no, one of them hasn't uploaded, but the rest have. Okay, click close, save, and close that, and then save the item. I'm not going to save and close it. I might want to change it. And then I'm just going to, once it's saved, open the website and see what the gallery looks like. There we go. So the image galleries are here. I don't believe it's showing it yet. So, there we go, 24th of December. You can go down to view photos. They're all there. And that's it. Nothing more to it.